Maybe I wanna be a little stronger. Each fall takes a piece out of our hearts. So I'll run away, away into the darkest parts of me. I need a change, desperately. I thought I was a lost art.
Welcome to Nacpan. Grabe. Ganda ng Nacpan, oh. Wow.
Running out for love.
They say this is one of the best spots here in El Nido if you want to have that perfect sunset. Together with this very nice white sand beach. Oh, grabe ka, ano, grabe ka pino ng buhangin. You can always feel that super fine texture. Grabe ka ganda. At konti na lang inabutan namin sa sunset. At siya naman ay busy pa-text. We're done with our island activities, and it's just time to chill, relax at the beach side. Walking. I walk barefoot here. Walk barefoot by the seashore. Andito po tayo sa isa sa kanilang mga famous resorts. I don't know if this is Angkla, but the place looks good. End this short trip, we will be having our dinner here at Angkla Resort. So most of them already finished with a change of outfit. After they change outfit, they will be swimming at the infinity pool over there. So while waiting for our food, we are just chilling and relaxing ourselves for that very busy day that we had. It was very exhausting, but at the same time, it was very fulfilling. Lipstick. After she changed her outfit for this night's affair, look at her belongings. She's placing it all under her, inside her dry bag. After that, she will be swimming at the infinity pool.
I will sleep now.
I thought you were gonna swim. Video.
Sige ma.
For more fun-filled adventures and travel tips, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for notification of my latest videos. This has been Stephen. Thank you, God bless, and have a nice day ahead.